Hey everyone, it's Mark here. Have you ever wondered what actually happens when you press that power button on your computer? It feels instant, right? But there's a lot going on behind the scenes. Today we're diving into the BIOS versus UEFI debate to see which one's faster, more secure, and better for modern computers. Let's get into it. Alright, so when you turn on your computer, the firmware starts working before the operating system even loads. This firmware can either be BIOS, which is the old-school system you'll find on legacy machines, or UEFI, the modern replacement that's faster, more secure, and packed with features. Here are the key differences. BIOS works in 16-bit mode with a text-based interface, super old-school and slower. On the other hand, UEFI runs in 32 or 64-bit mode, supports graphical interfaces, and even lets you use a mouse. Plus, it initializes hardware way faster. Now, both BIOS and UEFI perform a post or power-on self-test to make sure your hardware is functioning properly. They check your CPU, RAM, storage, keyboard, and mouse. If something's wrong, you'll get error codes or beeping sounds. But here's where UEFI gets smarter. It includes self-healing and diagnostics for better error handling. Once the hardware checks out, the bootloader steps in to load your operating system. BIOS uses MBR or Master Boot Record, which is limited to 2 TB drives and just 4 primary partitions. UEFI, however, uses GPT or GUID partition table, which supports huge storage capacities, up to 9.4 zettabytes, and over 128 partitions. So yeah, BIOS is old school, and UEFI is totally future-proof. Security is another big win for UEFI. Unlike BIOS, UEFI supports Secure Boot, which blocks malware before it can attack your system. It also supports TPM or Trusted Platform Module, which is crucial for Windows 11 security and modern encryption methods to protect against boot time attacks. If security's your thing, UEFI takes the crown. So, should you upgrade? Well, BIOS is actually fading away. Intel ended BIOS support back in 2020. UEFI is now the standard for all modern PCs. It's faster, more secure, and supports larger storage devices. If you're still using BIOS, it's time to upgrade. Let's recap. BIOS is the old-school firmware, slow, limited, and outdated. UEFI is faster, more secure, and future-proof. If you're getting a new PC, make sure it's equipped with UEFI. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech deep dives. And hey, what's your PC using, BIOS or UEFI? Drop a comment below. Stay tuned for our next video, how to access and configure UEFI settings on your PC. See you next time.